In this video, we will discuss how to add HubSpot forms to WordPress pages and posts. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual HubSpot, then click onto this marketing tab and click on forms. From this, click onto this create form that you want to add onto your WordPress. You can use templates or you can also start from blank depending on your liking. For example, let's choose right here this book a meeting template. You can proceed to click onto this right here, or you can also start to create from other templates available. I'll just head over and use right here this contact us. Click on use template right here, and then this will open your forms editor and just make your changes that you need to do. Continue editing it, and once you're done, proceed to click on this review and update. So you can see right here the reviews. Click on update once it's done. And then after that, as you can see, form has been published. Now let's leave it as it is for now and let's head over right here to our WordPress. For this, you can just head over to your actual editor. You first need to also make sure to install the HubSpot CRM from there. Now onto this case, you can also add a form block on the Gutenberg editor. So for example, let's head over to the plugins part. Proceed to search right here for HubSpot. Once you do, you should be able to see right here some search results for HubSpot directly. So here's HubSpot right here. Click on this and make sure to install this directly. Once it's been installed, you can actually just add a short code that we have onto this. You can click on this get embed code, and then here's the code. Click on copy and then just add it directly onto your actual editor once you have the HubSpot updated or added onto your WordPress. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.